What's up, guys? I'm Prav Verma, and today I'll be doing an acoustic tutorial for Mayne, Bounce, the acoustic version. So, I'll put tabs on right now. And these tabs are just basically for the chord shapes, and I'll be going through the finger picking pattern and everything like that. So we start off with this shape. It's a 8-6-8-8, 8-6-8-8, and then slap. So you go down 8-6-8-8, each of your fingers. That's what he basically does the whole song. It'd be like, that's what he does with the finger picking pattern, basically. So we start off with this, and then we bump it up 2 frets. It's a 8-4, it's a 6-4-6-6. So far we have okay. After that we have 4-4-5-6, 4-4-5-6, and it goes straight into that from the last chord, and there's no slap in between. So it'll sound like this. So you finger pick down, and then straight to the top. Okay, and then after that, we have this chord shape. This is like, if you can't do the hammer on, which he does in the song, it's a 4-3-5-4. That's without the hammer on. But in the song he does it with the hammer on. So basically he just does 4-3-3-4, and then play the G string again, and then hammer on. So technically you're not playing the pinky when you're doing the hammer on, but if that's too hard for you, you can just go straight into the... So far we have this. Okay, next chord is this. It's a 3-3-3-2. So it'll be, and then straight in the next chord, which is 3-5-3-2. 3-5-3-2. And like I said, if you want, you can go back in the video and pause at the tabs, and I'll have all these chord shapes down. So these chords, the thing about these chords is that they move on pretty fast. We have the slap in between, but after that it's just back to back. And then back to the start. So slow, here's how it sounds. And that's basically it. And then you can play it up to tempo. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, leave a comment if I should do any more tutorials. Thanks.